you are in need of 4x4 Drivetrain Services in Willow Springs, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At Performance Auto Repair, we specialize in diagnosing and repairing all aspects of your 4x4 system, ensuring that your vehicle performs at its best on and off the road. Our skilled technicians conduct thorough inspections, offering services such as transfer case repair, axle service, and differential maintenance, all designed to enhance your vehicle's capabilities. Don't let drivetrain issues hold you back. Contact Performance Auto Repair for a comprehensive inspection and repair estimate today. Experience the difference in performance and reliability with us.